Hello everyone! If you're microblading or PMU artist, you should get to know new opportunity for your business. The new trend in PMU world is a small tattoo. New PMU device from Hanami has a tattoo program. You can perform fine line tattoo without the need to purchase of any additional device. Small tattoo courses are available at BE Academy. Training is by professional tattoo artist Lily Eagle. If you would like to book a training, please don't hesitate to contact us. For more video, please give us thumbs up and subscribe the channel. See you soon!